Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This Hyundai iX35 mid-size crossover is available here in a lovely white colour and is finished in the popular SE variant. The exterior white colour looks incredibly nice, and the 1.7 diesel engine will offer plenty of power. From every angle it looks incredibly stylish and has got loads of standard specification, as you will see shortly. Key equipment highlights will include these lovely anthracite grey 5-spoke alloy wheels, as well as convenience of automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. If that wasn't enough, full LED taillights will also give your car a distinctive look at night. A cavernous load area in the boot is available for all your shopping and suitcases and offers a 60-40 split for even more space. There is even a full-size spare wheel on offer in the back just in case, and passengers in the rear can enjoy a roomy cabin with seating up to 3 with a centre armrest, part leather upholstery and even ISOFIX chat anchor points. In the front, there is a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, large infotainment screen, and the front sport seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort. For all your entertainment needs, there's plenty to use. AM and FM radio receptions will be on offer, as well as media source inputs for your CD players. Built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never get lost, and entering destinations couldn't be easier thanks to the large icons. Live traffic updates will ensure you never get lost on unfamiliar roads, and to help you park, there's even a reverse parking camera on offer offering useful guidelines. Moving down the cabin, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system is available, and it is further complemented by the use of heated front seats with its 2-state setting for the driver and front passenger. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.